Hi, my name is Ryan.
And I'm Cooper.
And our project is Tabletop. Tabletop is a mobile application platform that allows users to dine out charitably. Basically, a user can find a restaurant in their area that is willing to donate 10% or more of the cost of the meal to the nonprofit of the user's choice.
So the app is very simple. The user is going to open it up and they're going to see the landing page, which is a map right here, and they already have pulled up results. And the user can just click on a result and it'll show the logo, the name of the bar or restaurant, the hours that the event is happening, and the Yelp review and how much they are going to give to the organization. And it has just typical settings like the about, team, tutorials, and you can link your Facebook profile, your way of payment if we integrate payment, and different causes that organizations or that bars can donate to. And on the bottom is the different filtering options. So first one is like a calendar. They can look and see when the events are happening, the dates. And then the next one is reviews by either a Yelp integration or reviews through users using Tabletop. And then the percent right here is the percentage value that the bar is going to donate to the organization.
At the beginning of the year, I pitched the idea to Olson, and we decided that it was too much work for one person, and that's where the development team came into play. I applied for Tabletop to be a part of the computer science department's Capstone project, and the idea was picked up by 5 developers who are now working as a part of their graduation requirements. Josh Ransom is leading that team as another student developer that is working on the project full-time.
I changed my project and joined Ryan, and now I'm going to help him out with marketing and with just the promotions of it, and probably some user experience with the app, and working with restaurants. So in the 3 weeks that I've been a part of the project, I have helped come up with different solutions for the capturing the transaction, which is going to be talked about in our problems and issues section, but we had to work through a bunch of different options for the app to work. And I've also been starting to learn about Swift, iOS programming, because that's what the app is going to be built on, is an Xcode with Swift. So I've been going through Treehouse and going through the tutorials there, so I can be a part of that to help with the user design and user experience. In the future, my plan is to work on the marketing, so video content if we do a Kickstarter or a commercial or promo, and also to work on the website, make it a little bit more friendly, have updated information, kind of update the pictures, make it at full screen or full size. One of the big accomplishments that we've had so far was meeting with the owner of Devil's Advocate Bar and Grill. We got to ask him questions about taxes and how that works, what can and can't be written off. We definitely learned a lot through that. We also got to ask him about point of sale. That was one of our ideas to track the transaction. We learned that probably wasn't a good idea to go that route, but he definitely liked the idea and definitely wanted us to pursue options. One of them kind of a Groupon style, the other one still tracking the receipt or taking a picture of it. But all in all, it was a good experience, and we definitely learned a lot and took a lot of notes.
So one of the biggest issues that we ran into so far this semester was one of the softwares that we were going to use is called CardSpring, and after I reached out to them to get that software, they told us that they were actually being acquired by Twitter, and thus they were no longer taking partnerships. So these meetings with Devil's Advocate and others have mostly been to help us find a workaround or a way to really implement this within the restaurants without using that software. We've developed a few different ideas, and we're going to work on validating those and continuing on with those. And by the end of the semester, we want to have a minimal viable product, just something that actually functions, where a user can go to the homepage, find a restaurant, and get connected with that restaurant and eat out and do that charitably. We've gotten a lot done so far this semester. But for the rest of the semester and then even into spring, we have a lot ahead of us.
Oh yeah. Oh, I thought you were gonna say